Betsy. Give him a tap.
He's not going. Now,
Keep him going, Joe.
sometimes when I tap, my legs get picked by something. That tap made him run fast.
Come on, Smokey. We want a circle here, buddy. He's too busy looking at the horses, isn't he?
Whoa.
Come on, keep him going, Joe. Give him a little tap. Oh, you coming up here, Smoke? Tell him to go, Joe.
Okay.
You're doing good, Joe. Very good. You're almost ready for reins, Joe. Okay, tell him to go. Whoops, we're caught here. Okay.
I might be scared with reins though.
Yeah, you need to keep your balance without reins for just a little bit longer.
Maybe when he walks, probably when Smokey walks, sometimes I can do this.
Okay, well, let's see you do that.
Walk.
Okay. Now you got to try it at a trot. Make him give him a tap.
I don't want to do it with no hands in the trot.
Well, he's not going anywhere, Joe. I got him. Keep him trotting, Joe.
Whoa.
There you go. Good girl. Good job, Smoke and Joe. Okay, ready for the rodeo, aren't you?